In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the line height in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started with Figma, understanding how to adjust the line height is essential for creating visually appealing and readable text layouts in your designs. So, let's get started. First, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that we're using today. If you aren't already familiar with it, Figma is a fantastic platform for designers to work together in real time. It's browser-based, which makes accessibility a breeze. Open your internet browser and type in Figma's URL, or simply click the link if you have it saved. Once you arrive at Figma's homepage, you'll see the login option. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials to access your workspace. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your home screen. You'll see several options here, but our focus today will be on those related to design settings. Now, from your home screen, locate the Design tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on Design to access your design assets and settings. This area is essentially your playground where all your design tools and settings are accessible. It's important to familiarize yourself with this space to work more efficiently. Next, look for the text option and click on it. This is the starting point for all text-related settings and adjustments. Text settings are vital as they control the appearance of your written content, from fonts to text sizes and more. Now, once you're in the text settings, you'll want to find and click on typography. Here, you'll have access to all the typographic elements of your text blocks. Typography in design is crucial as it greatly influences readability and the visual balance of your project. Within the typography settings, locate the line height option. This is where you can adjust the spacing between lines of text, which is important for both readability and the overall aesthetics of your design. Click on the line height setting to change it. You have the freedom to adjust it to best fit the style and requirements of your design. Whether you want a tight-knit text that appears more condensed or a looser, more airy look, tweaking the line height helps you achieve your desired text presentation. And that's how you change the line height in Figma. It's a simple yet powerful adjustment that can make a big difference in how your design feels and reads. Remember, mastering these small details can greatly enhance your overall design work. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy designing!